Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use QuickBooks for HVAC business, only way. Start by creating a company file and choose service-based templates, then add service items for diagnostics, installations, and repairs. Customize the chart of accounts to separate parts, labor, and subcontractors, and set tax rates for each region you serve. Finally, invite your accountant and set user permissions to protect financial data and streamline workflows. Create consistent invoices using service items for diagnostics, parts, and labor so customers see exact pricing and warranties. Offer online payment options to speed collections and reduce unpaid balances by accepting cards and ACH. For large installations, use progress invoices and record deposits against jobs so income matches work completed. Automate reminders for overdue invoices and reconcile received payments daily to keep cash flow clean and predictable. Quick recommendation: if you read manuals or service guides in the field, the Kindle Paperwhite is lightweight and easy to use with long battery life and crisp text. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more practical QuickBooks HVAC tutorials. Check the description for the Kindle link and other deals I mentioned, then grab a coffee, and now let's get back to the video. Assign jobs to specific customers and use class or location tracking to separate residential, commercial, and maintenance work. Record technician time, parts used, and equipment depreciation per job to get true job costs and gross margins. Regularly run profit and loss by job and review monthly cash flow and aging reports to spot issues early. Use these insights to price bids accurately and improve margins on repeat services.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.